to the world of colors. I'm Colors. Today we're going to be making some easy peasies. It's been a while since I made easy peasies and I wanted to make some for the patriotic holidays. So here they are, the Liberty Singers. And they're just real easy to make. If you have just an hour to put one together, you could easily do it. And that's what we're going to be making today. I'm just going to make one easy peasy because they're all made the same. And we just got different colors on the different ones. So just switch out your colors, red, white, and blue. So I'm going to be making this one with a red hat today. And this is what you'll be needing to make that one. You'll need 2 socks, whatever colors you want to use. I'm using wool blend socks. And they work really well. You need some flat marbles, one of the red hats. These hats come from the Dollar Tree. You get 5 in the package. I'm using the red one in that package. I'm using a balloon weight for the embellishment on this one from the Dollar Tree. And then a piece of faux fur. I'm using gray. And it's 4 inches wide by 3 inches tall. And then a couple of, the nose is just a piece of the vase filler that they sell at Dollar Tree in different colors. Comes like this. This is from Hobby Lobby, this package right here. And they come in different colors. You can paint these real easily with the acrylic paints. I've got some here. So if you have like pink and you want to do this project, you can just paint them. And a rubber band, your glue sticks, scissors, and your glue gun. And we'll be all ready to do this. So I'll be right back with you and we'll get started. Okay, so we're back. The first thing we want to do is take our socks here. And we're going to take one of the socks and fill the bottom of it with marbles. This is about how many marbles I'm going to use. And we want to get those in there. Like that. And just lay that down. You just want to roll it up. So you get to about there and then just fold it over. Like that. And then you want to take the second sock and turn it inside out. And then take this and the open side down, put that inside the sock. Like that. And then you want to roll that up. Make sure it's nice and flat. And then go like that. Take the rubber band. My puppies and kitties are all having fun playing right now outside my door. That's what you're hearing is their little collars making bell sounds. So that's the base of it. And then you just want to go ahead and put the nose on. I happen to have a red nose. so I don't have to paint this one. And we're going to go ahead and glue that on. I'll hold that for a second. And then it should set up the rest of the way itself. And then we want to take and put the beard on. So you want to take and cut the beard down the middle, a slit down the middle to go around that nose. About 1 inch. And then you want to take and glue up the corners, or your bottom corners of your beard to round it out a little bit. Take that square shape away from it. And we're going to start getting the beard going here, or the mustache going. And then we're just going to put it on here like that and glue it. Glue it around and we'll turn it around. Just put some glue on there. And glue it to that stub. Put a little hairspray on it. It'll hold that mustache where we want it. Now the next thing you want to do is glue on the hat. And we want to take the elastic off the hat. And what we want to do is glue it at the nose and at the back. Just those two spots. Have the staples come out the side and then glue it to the top of the nose and to the back. So I'll get this right on the top of the nose here, this glue. And it might melt the hat a little bit. The hat's plastic, so it won't be much. And just glue that on like that. And I'm going to hold that on there for a couple minutes and I'll be right back with you. So I've got the hat glued on. I glued it on the front there and let it set up. And then I glued it on the back. So it looks really cute already. Then what you want to do is take your paperweight and your star. These are just table scatter foam pieces that you get at the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to put a blue one on him. Each one has a different color. And it kind of, the idea is it makes you feel like his hand's coming out and holding on to the star. Like that. And then you want to take the paperweight, the balloon weight, and push it down like that and take your wire cutters and go ahead and cut that like that. And this is the piece that we want to attach to him. We just glue that to the side here. Actually, I'm going to take a little bit of this off. I think it's a little thick. You like about like that. And then we're going to glue it on the side here. And he'll be finished. I'm just going to put it right there on the side. And let that set off. And I'll be right back with you. This is how he finished up. He's really turned out really cute. And you can set them anywhere you want to. I didn't put them on a base because I thought it'd be nice if they were separated so you could put them anywhere you want to or together. So I'm not going to be here next week. I won't be doing a video next week, but the week after I'll be back. And I want you to like this video if you like it. And if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe. And have a happy, nice Memorial Day. Have a safe Memorial Day. Bye.